Hello, it's me M0YKS on a bit of a downer today. Got up and fired the amplifier up and pop goes the weasel. Yeah, the fuse on the board blew, which was a little bit annoying to say the least. So first thing I tried was replacing the fuse, which was the obvious thing to try, which that was pretty straightforward. I then re-powered everything up and without any input power from the radio, I pressed the PTT switch and noticed that the meter was crashing to the right. This is the meter I'm talking about, the one that measures the anode current, and as you can see it's bent the actual needle, so obviously there was too much current flowing. Normally you want about half a milliamp, but it was obviously way above that. So the next thing I did was inspect all the components. I've had a previous problem in the past which I've managed to fix, but this time round it looked like it was something different. And I noticed it happened to be this particular resistor. So I saw it's actually scorched. I'll just see if you can get a close look at that one as it's popped. So that was the resistor I found, which is in line with the meter which measures the anode current. So that's damaged, and to the best of my identification skills, I'd say it was a 75 ohm quarter watt resistor. So the question is, what caused that resistor to get warm and blow? And when I first fired the setup up the radio, I wasn't transmitting any power. I just had it on SSB, warmed the amp up, and pressed the PTT about to speak, and it just immediately took the fuse out. So on a previous mistake a few years ago, I overloaded the amplifier by putting too much RF power in, and I popped this red resistor, which is this one here, which is a 1 ohm 1 watt resistor, and I replaced that and the problem was fine. So we fixed the situation. That is on the same link as the fuse board, so that was a situation which happened initially. So I'm wondering if possibly the power that went through this last time, which does actually connect to the cable, this cable here, which feeds the meter, possibly got a little bit too much current in it, and I didn't notice the possible burn on the resistor a couple of years ago, if this makes sense. So that is the resistor I'm talking about. So there's a cable coming out from that side, which you could see is fed from over there in the corner by the resistor that I originally replaced a few years ago, which is still in good shape. So this one's obviously taken some more power into it, so maybe it got damaged back then and it's just been holding together on its last legs, or maybe something else has occurred and we've got another issue to look into. So the situation's grim in the shack at the minute when it comes to operating the HF. As you know, I like to run a little bit of power, so not feeling exactly overwhelmed and enthusiastic about it. So yeah, I've got the glasses on so I can see what I'm doing, and I've ordered myself a 75 watt quarter ohm replacement, which hopefully will arrive maybe tomorrow. I've got it on the old quick delivery, but until then it's a bit of silence in the shack, I'm afraid. So don't stay up late tomorrow, guys, because it's not looking too rosy here. But anyway, catch you later. Hope you have a good time. I'm feeling a bit down and out and sulking and sorry for myself. It's M0YKS. Got the multimeter on the go. Catch you soon.